Insight Timer, a simple guide for caregivers. Welcome. If you're caring for someone else, you're likely giving a lot of yourself every day. This short video introduces Insight Timer, a free meditation app that can help you slow down, breathe, and find small moments of calm, one breath at a time. What is Insight Timer? Insight Timer is a free meditation app used by millions of people around the world. It offers guided meditations, calming music, and simple breathing exercises. There's no cost to get started, and much of the content is completely free. Why meditation matters? Caregiving can be emotionally and physically exhausting. Meditation isn't about doing something perfectly. It's about giving your mind and body a short break. Even a few minutes of quiet can help reduce stress and improve focus. Step 1. Find the app. To begin, open the App Store on an iPhone or the Play Store on an Android device. In the search bar, type Insight Timer and look for the app with a small meditation bowl icon. Step 2. Download and install. Tap Get or Install and wait while the app downloads. This usually takes less than a minute. Once it's finished, the app will appear on your phone like any other app. Step 3. Create your account. When you open Insight Timer for the first time, you'll be asked to create an account. All you need is an email address and a password. This helps save your preferences and track your progress. Step 4. Choose your first session. The app will suggest beginner options. If you're new to meditation, start with a 5-minute session. Short sessions are easier to stick with and still offer real benefits. Step 5. Find your quiet space. Choose a comfortable place where you feel at ease. Many people find it helpful to use the same spot and the same time each day, but flexibility is okay. The goal is consistency, not perfection. Step 6. Start your practice. Press play, close your eyes if it feels comfortable, and focus on your breathing. There's nothing else that you need to do. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Building a daily habit. Small, regular habits add up. Even 5 minutes a day can make a difference. Over time, Insight Timer can help you notice patterns and celebrate the days you show up for yourself. And most importantly, you deserve this peace. Caregivers often put themselves last. This is a reminder that your well-being matters too. Taking time for yourself helps you stay resilient, present, and supported. Thank you for taking this moment for yourself. This resource was shared by Learn and the Idaho Community Care Program to support caregivers like you. Small steps toward calm can make a meaningful difference.